Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you folks the foundation of crazy legs. I have not even gotten this move down yet. This is going to be a very beginner friendly crazy leg tutorial. We are just gonna go over the foundation of crazy legs. I'm not even that good at the move, but I figure I make this tutorial for you folks if you're feeling stuck or if you want to just give yourself a little bit of a challenge and you guys can put these moves together and just see if it clicks for you, because some people learn faster than others and I'm definitely like a medium learner. Like some things I can learn fast, some things just take more time. So enjoy the tutorial. Side note, I wanted to mention it is better if you have these toe stops, because if you have bigger toe stops, it's going to prevent you from being able to bend your leg all the way down. So starting with your feet facing forward, you're going to angle the foot that you feel comfortable with forward first, and then you're going to take your second foot and just angle it back and place your toes down. And we will call this position 1. We're going to call this position 2. After you do position 1, you are just going to bring your feet into a V. We are going to call this position 3. You're basically going to do the same thing that you did with position 1, but you're just going to do it on the opposite side. And come back into a V position. Now you're just going to put position 1, 2, and 3 together, and you're just gonna keep doing that over and over. I want you guys to just drill that. Don't worry about going fast. Don't worry about if you're going too slow. Just keep doing those motions and I promise you it will definitely click. Here is the same movements but coming from a different angle. Just go ahead, like I said, just keep drilling those moves over and over, and at the end of everything you should be able to start rolling and it should kind of look something like this. If you guys did enjoy this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again so much for watching this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!